Maintenance Special, Part 3. Repairs to Hyperlon, replacing the D-ring on our Highfield.
Do you want me to show you how to use that?
Before you watch this video, you might want to go to On the Boat 6, Moles, to see what happened to our dinghy and why we need to do repairs. Here's a quick flashback to the damage that was done on the day it was done. One more thing, we'd just like to thank Pantanius for all their help and sound advice. The two-part adhesive we're using will be from Polymarine. We have no affiliation to this company. But it's going.
Yay!
It's off. See where it tore it. Right off.
It's come off really well.
Yeah, it's come well. Don't you love it when you talk to a professional and you kind of get what they're saying, you understand what they're saying, and they actually know what they're talking about, and you do exactly what they say and it comes up exactly as they said it would. So this is the thinner for the glue, but it doesn't dissolve it, it kind of thins it down. He said you won't get all the residual off, but as long as it's abraded and cleaned.
I wonder if paper towel's best thing to wipe it off with, actually.
Yeah, probably wants a bit of...
There is a load of rag in the boat. I've saved all your t-shirts.
Lovely.
Oscar? You chasing those fishies? Can you see them?
Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 languages. Oh.
I'm amazed you're reading the instructions.
There's no way of measuring this other than that little pot which says 25 to 1. Now luckily we've got this pot here. It's like mixing snot.
Don't go over the edges.
Hey. that's a dog hair in it.
Well, that'd be one less than your dinner.
We're not sponsored by Polymarine, whose glue we're using after the mad Frenchman destroyed our dinghy. However, Polymarine, who provided this adhesive for Hyperlon, have been absolutely brilliant, really helpful. Their technical department, the guy talked me through exactly what I've got to do and what might happen and how to get around it and that, and he was absolutely spot on, and I can't remember his name, but if you're watching, well done mate, thank you. So one coat on there, and this is our new D-ring. One coat on here and leave it for 30 minutes. Oi!
Glue mix round 2.
Yeah.
Might need quite so much this time, will you?
Probably need the same amount, but too what? Right, so just clear this up then while that's going off. He said to smooth it out from the centre. Can't see anywhere it hasn't bonded. I think I'm calling that job done time. This is the first time we've done a Hyperlon repair. We've done PVC before, so it was a new experience for us and we wanted to share it. We worked carefully as a team and it's come out really well. We're very pleased with it. The rib looks absolutely, well, brand new again. Thanks again to Polymarine and Spontaneous our insurers. Hope this is of help to you.
Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye!